We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for return this video, smash that like button, tell them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS Stock having a struggle here to hold itself up. But from yesterday's move to where it's at today, it's holding up pretty strong, but trying to stay above the current support levels. And we're going to talk about key levels in today's video. And it wasn't the only stock pulling downwards. The overall market and even the SPY pulled downwards. Our SPY bot since 12:30 p.m. sent us out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, put options nearly 2x within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to this resource and join the members receiving that edge and clarity that everyone deserves within the volatility. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over to the SPY bot and our QQQ bot. And there's going to be other bots released over time. So here we are with SENS Stock again sitting sideways, and we're going to break down all the key levels. But I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord, and you're definitely going to want to stick around for what's going on here with SENS Stock and 42 vision and what the charts are showing. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them came out to give 5 to 10% jumps, 10 to 20% jumps, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was LGVN. It was under a bull indicator here on Ultimate 42 Vision, full strength within the bars on 42 Vision, consolidated towards the bell, and then started to pick up momentum, jumped up nearly 40% plus, consolidated again, and went for another highest point of 50% plus, guys, on the day so far. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And once again, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. And let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS Stock holding itself up pretty strong, as I stated earlier in the video. And when you really look at it from way down here to where it's at today, it is still up nearly 30% plus. And at the highest point, it was up nearly 50% plus. So we're going to talk about key levels here. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, QQQ bot, and also receiving the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can join the community of members that are receiving this edge through these resources to maximize within the charts in either direction, guys. So here we are with SENS Stock. It was under a bull indicator since yesterday, and it got canceled out by a bear indicator here on the 30-minute. I talked about this in yesterday's video. I was going to be watching for this because this was a pretty big move, and we had two things that can play out. Either a consolidated, no bear indicator showing strength, and things continued up in the next few days or weeks, or it was going to have a bear indicator within this volatility, which in turn cancels out this bull indicator. And here we have it. Now, we always go over to the 4-hour and the 1-day to look at things from the bigger picture, and that's what we're going to talk about here. And then we're going to break down the resistance and support levels that I'm watching. So the first thing is here, the 4-hour, right? Here we have it with the bull indicator, and things are still looking pretty strong here because there's no bear indicator. And this bear indicator got canceled out. And right now, we want to watch this carefully if it shifts quickly back to a red bar pointing downwards, right? Excuse my terrible drawing, but going in that direction, which in turn can create the possibility of another bear indicator popping up somewhere along these lines and canceling out this bull indicator. So you definitely want to watch this carefully. That's what we're going to be looking at here on 42 vision very closely based off the 4-hour. Now, if we go over to the 1 day, you could see that things have been under a bull indicator since down here at $1.14. Things pulled upwards, and I stated in yesterday's video that as we talked about this the last few days, I always stated as long as this did not turn into a red bar or a bear indicator popped up to negate this bull indicator will hold true, dominate the chart, and this would turn out to be a setup for the next bull run. Not a setback, if not a setup for the next bull run. And so far, yesterday we shifted from dark green with red borders to dark green with green borders, and here we are seeing the bright green continuation of strength. Now we need to watch this carefully if it can continue to grow right in that upward direction like it did here, to have a continuation to the upside and hold that bull indicator true and no bear indicator popping up. So far, pretty strong move from yesterday to today. And then we also have here a slight pullback, but still under a bull indicator, canceling this bear indicator on the 4-hour. Now, back to the 30-minute so we could talk about the key levels we want to watch. And the first thing is support, right? You could see that yesterday's support here at 287 was actually used today and bounced off of, trying to come back up. And now things are trying to go back down towards it. And we need to keep in mind that within this volatility, this bull indicator has been canceled out by this bear indicator. And the only way to cancel this out is another bull indicator on a possible reversal, trying to bounce back up towards resistance levels, pops up and negates this bear indicator. If not, right now, the chart and stock is under a bear indicator as we see it. So let's talk about below 287, okay? If this gets broken through, which is still the support, the next level is down here at 268. And I would also use 250 way down here to watch and see if the bulls are able to bring this back up, if it was to go back down towards those levels and bounce back up with strength, right? Creating the opportunity to go ahead and bounce out of this area, creating a staircase effect to the upside. So we want to watch these levels to the downside very carefully. Now to the upside, we want to talk about the highest point reached in the day, and that was above 340. We talked about the significance about getting above 320, 340, and the 360s above all else, right? And 350, but it rejected it. So we want to see this break above 345, 344, give or take, and then work its way up towards 350, 360, and then we can start talking about $4 and so forth. So those are going to be the key levels within the chart to the upside and downside. And to receive clarity and that edge within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, QQQ bot, and receiving that edge that you deserve. And you can join the members receiving this edge and using these resources as well to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks go up or go down in either direction. Wherever the volatility is, they're making opportunities out of it, and you can now join as well. Once again, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, the SPY bot, and the QQQ bot. We look forward to having you join us. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.